Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nature Channel. Today we got a tree. You know, it's pretty cool. Got some moss right there, nice and green. Grass looks healthy. You know, it's grass. And this is the great tree. It is found in places where trees grow. It's got very tree-like properties. Bark. Very mossy for all the people who go to Target. You know, various wildlife, and usually grows in dirt. Very dirt. You know, it's got some minerals in there. I think it's a dead bug in there. Yeah. You know, stuff, grass and stuff. And the special thing about these trees is that they're actually powered by Duracell batteries. Finest Duracell batteries that you can get from your local department store. Yeah. Don't want to remember that too long, or it'll cause it to violently combust into flames. Anyways, that was it for the Nature Channel. Thank you for